Hey friends, Mike Adams here with Learn Audacity. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move, join, and split segments of audio using Audacity 3.1.2. So stick around. Let me draw your attention to the screen that I have before us in this audio waveform that I have sitting here. I'm going to show you how to split a piece of audio if you want to make this into two different segments of audio. And then I'm going to show you how to move those segments because we don't have the time shift tool in the tools toolbar anymore. So I'm going to demonstrate that for you. And then I'm going to show you how to join audio together if you want to join a piece of audio together. So let's get started. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to just put my cursor right here, kind of arbitrarily place it on this screen. And then there's a couple of ways that I can use to split a piece of audio. If I want to split this in two, I can simply go up to the Edit menu where it says Clip Boundaries, and I can select Split. You'll also notice that I have a shortcut, Command-I, that I've put in. Again, I'm on a Mac, so it's Command-I. And that was just an arbitrary keystroke that I used to put a shortcut in. That Command-I was available on my computer, so I used it. And then to join, I got a little more intuitive, and I used Command-J because, again, it was available, and that's how I did it, just as a way to make it easier for me to remember. So I want to split this, and since we've got the menu opened up here, let's just click once on Split. And as soon as I split, you'll see that I've got another section of audio here. It gave it the name automatically, and it put the dividing line in it. Now, if I want to move it, remember, we can't go back up to the tools or the transport toolbar because that time shift tool is now gone. So this is actually a lot easier method. I had a little bit of trouble getting used to it at first. I don't like new things right away. But the more I use this, the more I realized it's a real time saver not to have to go up and click the time shift tool, come down, move what you need, and go back up and unclick the time shift tool. That, it's too much clicking for me. Now we can simply come up here into this audio header where the audio track name is, and you'll see that the mouse turns into a little hand. And then we can just grab and hold the mouse, and we can move the audio wherever we want to move it to. We can drag it up or down into a different track if that's what we want to do. But we can reposition it just by using the little hand right here. There's no going back up here into the tools or into the transport toolbar and trying to deselect that. You don't have to do that anymore. You can move it right here and you're done. Now let's say that we want to join this back together. Let's say we've moved our audio, we've done some trimming on it, we want to move it back together. There's a few ways to do this too. I can just butt the two segments of audio together like this, and I can select through where they're split right now, and I can go back up to the Edit toolbar and select Join, or because I have a shortcut key already assigned, I can just do Command-J, which is what I'm going to do right now. And when I hit Command-J, it joins those two pieces of audio back together, and now they're back as one piece. And so voila, we are done. Now let's say, for example, you have a track with different segments of audio in it throughout. This particular track, I have two segments of audio. And so if I go back to the beginning here, and let's zoom in just a hair so that we can see more what's going on. I have two segments of audio in this track. And let's say that we want to leave that gap right there, but we want to join the audio. Once I know I've got those pieces of audio where I want them, if I select the entire track this time, and then I use my shortcut key, Command-J, I've joined those two pieces of audio together without moving anything. Now, keep in mind, if you do this method, it's going to join everything in the track. If you've got a track that's got 5 or 6 pieces of separate audio in it and you want to join them all together quickly, this is a way to do it. But keep in mind, if you've got pieces of audio or segments of audio in that track that you don't want to join together, this is going to join them together. And so you might be further ahead just to go individually to those different spots and join the tracks together. So that's all I have for you in this video today. I wanted to show you how to split a track, how to join tracks back together, and how to move tracks now that we're in version 3.1 of Audacity. Hey, as we close, just a quick reminder, you can find me online at learnaudacity.com. That's learnaudacity.com. You'll find links there to all the different things that I'm involved in, including my 3 courses, Audacity Bootcamp Beginner to Advanced, ACX Audiobook Production using Audacity, and Zoom H6 Audio Recording Essentials. So until next time, take care.